Lesson 11, Laws of Algebra of Logical Statements, De-Morgan's Law. That is law number 5. A part of it, negation bracket open, P and Q bracket close is equal to negation P or negation Q. B part of it, negation bracket open, P or Q bracket close is equal to negation P and negation Q. Proof. A part of it. We need to get P and Q, that is column head 3. You negate it to get column head 4. That is the left hand side. To get the right hand side, you negate column head 1 to get column head 6. You negate column head 2 to get column head 7. Then you relate columns head 6 and 7 using OR to get column head 8. That is the right hand side. At the end, you compare columns head 4 and 8 to see if they have the same outcomes. Column head 3 is using columns head 1 and 2. The connective is AND, which is true when both are true. So T, you have T. TF is F. FT is F. FF is F. You negate column head 3 to get column head 4. If you negate T, it becomes F. You negate F, it becomes T. The next one is also T, and you have T again. You move to column head 6. You negate column head 1. So you have F followed by F followed by T. Then you have T. To get column head 7, you negate column head 2. So you have F, then T, followed by F, then you have T. To get column head 8, you are comparing columns head 6 and 7. The connective is OR, which is false when both are false. So for number 1, row wise, FF is F. Number 2, FT is T. Number 3, TF is T. Number 4, TT is T. At the end, you compare columns head 4 and 8 to see if the outcomes are the same, and they are the same. This shows that the law is true. Be part of this law, De-Morgan's law, negation bracket open, P or Q bracket close equal to negation P and negation Q. To get the first part, you need to get P or Q. That is column head 3. You negate it to get column head 4. To get column head 6, you negate column head 1. To get column head 7, you negate column head 2. You compare columns head 6 and 7 using AND to get column head 8. At the end, you check the outcomes for columns head 4 and 8 to see if they are the same. Column head 3, P or Q. In that connective, the outcome is false when both are false. So for P is T, Q is T, the outcome is T. The next one, TF, is also T, or the outcome is only false when both are false. Number 3, FT, you have T. FF, you have F. Column head 4, you negate column head 3. If you negate T, it becomes F. The next one is F. The next is F. And the next is T. If you negate F, it becomes T. To get column head 6, you negate the outcomes in column head 1. So you have F, another F, you have T and T. To get column head 7, you negate column head 2. You have F, T, F, T. To get column head 8, you compare column head 6 and 7. The connective is AND, which is only true when both are true. So FF is F, FT is F, TF is F, TT is T. At the end, you compare columns head 4 and 8 to see if the outcomes are the same, and the outcomes are the same. This shows that the De-Morga's law is true, the second part of it. End of lesson 11.